Hey guys, what's up? RJ here, back with another video. And in this video, we're gonna be reviewing your first funnel challenge by Clickfunnels. If you don't know about this challenge out there, ever since Clickfunnels 2.0 got launched, Clickfunnels actually came up with a new challenge, which was your first funnel challenge, which is actually a free 5-day challenge. We're gonna talk about a lot of it. Like we're gonna talk about like what it is, what it's all about, what's included, what's not, how it's gonna help you out as well, and a lot more things as well. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel out there, be sure to subscribe to the channel and be sure to hit the notification bell on, and let's talk about it. So I'm going to share the screen right now out there, and we're going to see like what's included, what's inside of it, and other things. So let's go to the screen. Okay, so if we see right now, like we're on the page at the moment out there, it's kind of like the evergreen offer going on right now. If you've been the part of One Funnel Away challenge, it was actually one of the best offer that ClickFunnels had to offer inside when it comes to the content, especially for the beginners to understand like how funnels can help them out, how funnels can help them out in their business if they're starting out, or if they're already in the business, how funnel can explode their business as well. So I believe like One Funnel Away challenge was definitely one of the best challenges inside, first of all, in the internet marketing space itself, because like I've done One Funnel Away multiple times now. Like since ClickFunnels came up with your first funnel challenge, I believe like your first funnel challenge is kind of like a mini version of your One Funnel Away challenge. So like you spend like 5 days and like kind of like implement this on ClickFunnels 2.0 and start to see like how everything works out for you more effectively. So as I mentioned, it's like give us just 90 minutes a day for the next 5 days to launch your idea and turn into a business you're proud of. It's a first funnel challenge, which is actually for free. So you can register in the description down below. There is a link for you guys if you want to register for it. It's completely free, so no problem to you guys. So obviously, like Damon John was also the part of it. He was the surprise guest, and there were so many other speakers out there that were into the part of it, like Annie Grace, Garrett Joe White, Stacy and Paul Martino, Steve Larson, Damon John, Eileen Wilder, Christian Merrill, and like so many other amazing people out there talked about their expertise and like their experience with the funnels and some things that are kind of like related to each other with funnels actually, and how it can help you out to boost your business, and so many things out there as well. So let's talk about like the things that are included in from day 1 to day 5. Day 1 is all about like funnel hacking out there, how to ethically steal for what's working right, and how to use it for your own funnel, like how to model what works. Russell actually preach about it all the time because he's implemented that in his own business. Like what is the funnel that's actually right for your offer? A lot of people out there get confused, like, hey, what could work for us? So like if you get the idea what could work for you, if you get the idea about the framework or the structure what needs in your business, it becomes much easier for you to just play with the funnels. And a lot of different funnel examples out there just to get sort of like inspiration, like what could work out for you as well. Day 2 is all about your first funnel. What should be your first funnel out there? Now it doesn't mean like, hey, it's just the first time you're creating it. There are a lot of beginners who might be joining this, as well as the people out there who might be experiencing a lot of things for the first time. So it's all about like how to create that successful funnel out there for you that could work out for you as well. So we're going to talk about like all of those things out there in day 2. Day 3 is all about hook story offer. Now if you ever been the part of Russell Brunson's world, like hook story offer, I believe Russell actually described it in the most easiest way, the whole concept around marketing, or like how you have to like attract somebody out there to you or to your offer. So like it's going to be around hook story offer, which is definitely an amazing concept to talk about. Day 4 is definitely around irresistible ads. So like if you're looking to go for the paid ad side of it and use to monetize your funnel using paid ads, then this is something out there that you can go for. Day 5 is actually all about like, hey, the mindset you need, or the things that you need to know about, or the final things that you need to do in order to start working on the funnel and like start to make it work for you and start to play with it and see like how everything turns out. So essentially these are the 5 days agenda of like your first funnel challenge. As I mentioned, it's completely free. You can go and like sign up. Link is in the description down below. One of the things that I want to talk about is they have an offer where they can provide the VIP access. Normally it costs like $197, but it's actually free if you just sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0, and you have the opportunity for having like 30 days trial. and you get the chance to get the VIP access of your first funnel challenge, which is definitely a no-brainer deal. You can just sign up for 30 days, play with it, and see like how it works out for you. And if it works out for you, amazing. Just don't stop. And let's say in some cases out there it might not, then you can go ahead and like cancel your ClickFunnels account with no cost at all if you just cancel within 30 days. So like when you're gonna sign up with the first funnel challenge with the link in the description down below, you can come up on this page after entering your email, and then just click on like upgrade to VIP. Then you're gonna have an option to sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0 as well, on which you're gonna have like 30 days free trial. No other offer inside ClickFunnels offer 30 days trial apart from this offer, which is insane. Just for test drive as well. What includes inside VIP as well, not only the recording of coaching calls, but one of the things that I really love about is definitely the physical things that we get with it. Like obviously, like one is funnel hacker t-shirt. I have that funnel hacker t-shirt out there, which is amazing. 30 days book. If you already know, in One Funnel Away challenge they had this 30 days book where they interviewed 30 millionaires, like how they actually, like what it's like for them to go from zero to $1 million in 30 days with their expertise and their niche, which was definitely an amazing book. You might be able to see like behind me there's a box of One Funnel Away challenge. I have that into it. You also get like Funnel Hackers Cookbook. I also have the physical copy of that. You will get it for free just for signing up for ClickFunnels 30 days free trial. You will get all of these things as well. So like Funnel Hackers Cookbook is all about different types of funnel, the structure of funnels, maybe what could work, what couldn't, all of those things. And also, as I mentioned, like Funnel Hacker t-shirt. You also get like live VIP coaching calls as well, which is also amazing. And also like recording from the previous session that happened with Damon John and Russell Brunson. It's completely free. As I mentioned, you just need to go on and click on VIP and then you will be good to go. Now, if you're like, hey, I don't want to do it, just click on like no thanks and you will be good to go. But like who don't? Like if you have 30 days free trial, you're going to absolutely have the ability to try it out. So yeah, that's how it's all about. If you want to sign up, link is going to be in the description down below. Again, like these are the things that we already mentioned that they're going to provide essentially. So yeah, that's the main thing. If you guys are gonna have any question, you can let me know about it as well. You can post it in the comment section down below. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we're definitely gonna see you guys in the next video.